g of x. What is it? You know, I mean, it's kind of funny notation to have the f plus g in parentheses, but what is it? What is it equal to? So it's the same as f of x plus g of x, right? And then, Ryan, what is it? Yeah, and then you're just going to replace this with the f of x. This goes there. So that is x plus 1 plus the square root of x. And if you can simplify, simplify. You really can't simplify that. There's no like term, so stop. Okay. What about the g minus f of x? Yeah, g of x minus f of x equals, what is the square root of x for the g of x? Okay, so here's what you got to be careful of here. Peter said it right. It's minus x minus 1, because when you subtract the f of x, you're subtracting all of f of x, which means that the minus which is in front is distributed onto both terms. So that is the square root of x minus 1. That's a common place to make a mistake, because you don't change the sign of the second term. What's this operation represent? Yeah, that little dot there, that's a multiply. Not to be confused with a little open circle, which means composition, right? So this is f of x times g of x. And substitute f of x, substitute g of x. And there's nothing to simplify there, so you're done.